Hi guys, today we're gonna change the HDMI, what was it? HDMI port. We're gonna change the HDMI port on PlayStation. So actually I'm gonna try. Let's see how I can be successful. So just pull the box. This is PlayStation 4. Let's go and pull it. This is the way you open this box. And then, yeah, there's a screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. I don't know how many. We're gonna take it out, all the screw there. There is a special screwdriver for this, but I don't have. I'm gonna use this guy, the straight one. So let's see. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to take it out with this screwdriver because it's not the right one. I don't have the right one. Yeah, well, unfortunately, yeah. So let me try with this wire. Maybe I can lose a little bit. Then try with this guy. No. That's why it's gonna take time. Yeah. No. Yeah. Well, if you don't have tools, and then you can have. Yeah, it's hard to fix without tool. So anyway. As you see, I am trying to take it out with the plier. Well, it's of course not the best way to take it out. This unfortunately. No. I don't know. Let's try. Because if I order the screwdriver, it's gonna take 1 week to get here. I thought it's gonna work whatever I have, but this is the different. Hopefully. Okay, let me pause and then I'll continue. Yeah. So I just took away all the screw from this side. Now I need to take it out the screw from this side. There is a tape that you have to take it out, and underneath there is a screw. Then you have to take it out here, one here, and one right here. So let me try with this screwdriver. Let me see if oh, that's not good. I just took it out the 4 screw. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So this is the last one. Yeah, I don't have the right tool. That's why I'm using the plier. Okay, that's the last one. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So to take it off, you just want to hold this part, the spot where you unscrewed everything, and put the top of the PlayStation on the ground, so it's like that. And then you're gonna want to pull from the sides out, and yeah, now we're inside of it, and that is really dirty. I have not cleaned it. Whoa. I have not cleaned it for like a while. I haven't cleaned it for like only 7 months. Oh my god, I'm gonna clean.
Yeah, it didn't show. Okay, guys, After that, we cleaned these fans. Oh, see, it's so clean now, right now. It was so dirty, like, this is the one we took a look at this older. Okay, what we're gonna do next, we will take it, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 2 screw is the flip screw, you're gonna use this flip screwdriver. The other ones are different than we normally use the screwdrivers. That's called Torx. Yeah, I think. So let's take it out, the 2 easy ones. That this is the easy one that we have a screwdriver flip. Okay, this is one. This is 2. It's done. These 3 is gonna take time. That's why we're gonna pause now. So there's a cable here. You have to take it out right here. See, but there is 4 cables. It should be together, as you see right there. And you pull from the cable, but gentle. Move a little left and right. Then it comes out like this.
So all you have to do is hold from the side and then pull out the power supply. And there you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so basically you want to take out this thing right here from right here. So there's like a little middle piece here that you want to press down with your nail or your finger and then pull out this part. And that's how you do it, because if you just try to pull out, it's going to be locked. So yeah, this is the first cable. So the next cable that you have to do is this one. Oh, this one right here. And it's pretty easy. You can put your nail or your finger under and then take it out. And then it comes out. There. That's the second cable.
Then after that, you need to take it out, this cable too. Like right there, connection actually. Just pull it nicely. Yeah, like this.
Next, there's going to be a screw right here. Just a normal Phillips screw right there. But ours doesn't have one. Wait, there's some right there. Somebody opened this before and took it out. So yeah, there's going to be one there. And yeah, we're done with this part.